Let's take a look at how easy it is to remove the driver's seat from a 2004 Camry. We need to remove one snap-on cover, 4 14mm bolts, and disconnect 3 connectors underneath. First, move the seat all the way forward, then go into the back of the seat and gently pull on this cover. It should snap right off. The socket you're looking for is 14mm. The other rear mounting bolt is installed horizontally instead of vertically like the other 3. Once the rear bolts are removed, slide the seat all the way back to access the 2 front bolts. If you're a young person, you might not even need the knee pads to do this. The 2 front bolts are now very easy to get to. Since disconnecting the battery in the past has caused problems with my sunroof calibration, I never disconnect the battery unless I absolutely have to. So when I'm disconnecting the seat, if there's no current flowing, there won't be any arc. Oh, and no, I couldn't figure out which fuse drove this seat. The owner's manual's pretty screwed up as far as calling out fuses. For this big connector, push on this little teeny tab right here. The yellow connector has a little slide you have to move back. It's easy with a small screwdriver. The last connector is actually the hardest one to disconnect. What you have to do is push down on this little tab right here, then pull. Here's a quick overview of all 3 connectors. The seat is now ready to come out. I placed a blanket over the sill to prevent any damage to the paint in case I hit it with the seat track. Now, after you've had a bowl of Wheaties, you're ready to give it a shot. Sorry, the Wheaties thing is an old person joke. Okay, you've worked pretty hard. I think it's time you can take a nap now. Well, thanks for watching.